Imagine waking up to the news that artificial intelligence has not only boosted job creation by over 200% in some sectors, but has also unlocked opportunities that could provide you with a steady income stream for decades. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start making money with AI right now and keep earning well beyond 2025. Stay with me as I break everything down in clear, practical steps that you can implement immediately. Hey everyone, I'm Frank Chanda and welcome to my channel. I create content to help you make money online through affiliate marketing, freelancing, side hustle, remote job, and passive income strategies. Today's video is all about how to make money with artificial intelligence, also known as AI. I'm not here to offer you a vague idea. I'm here to explain what AI really is, why it matters, and most importantly, how you can leverage it to create really income streams. Whether you are new to this or you already have some experience, by the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap to start generating income with AI that will remain valuable for years to come. Let's begin by understanding the fundamentals of artificial intelligence. At its core, AI consists of computer systems that learn from data and help you automate tasks, make decisions, and even predict outcomes. It's beyond many of the apps you see every day and the tools that power businesses worldwide. The beauty of AI is that it does not replace a human talent, it enhances it by taking over routine tasks. AI frees you up to focus on creative, strategic, and high-value work. Over the past decade, AI has evolved dramatically. What started as a basic automation has now become a critical driver of innovation in the industry such as healthcare, finance, education, and entertainment. In 2025, AI is not just a buzzword, it is integrated into the fabric of almost every industry. This integration means that instead of fearing job loss, you should see AI as a tool that open up entirely new career paths and revenue opportunities. For instance, while traditional jobs may shift, new roles such as AI consultant, digital strategist, and automation expert are emerging and command impressive salaries. This evolution is why investing your time and energy into learning about AI can pay you off not just now, but well in the future. Now let's dive into the concrete ways you can make money with artificial intelligence. I'm going to share 3 straightforward methods that are practical and proven to generate income. First, consider building and selling digital tools. This approach involves creating apps, websites that solve everyday problems using AI. For example, you could develop a budgeting app that uses AI to track and analyze spending habits, helping families to manage their finances more effectively. Or you might design a health tracker that provides personalized tips based on individual user data. The exciting part is that you don't need to be a coding genius to get started. There are many user-friendly platforms available that let you create simple applications with minimal technical knowledge. Earlier adapters in this space often start by earning extra $500 to $2,000 per month. With time and refinement, especially if you move to a subscription model, your earnings can steadily increase. The second method is to invest in AI-driven startups. If you have some capital to invest, this is an excellent way to get in on the ground floor of companies that are using AI to disrupt traditional markets. The idea is to identify promising startups with strong leadership and clear innovative plans. Early-stage investment in the AI space can sometimes yield annual returns ranging from 15% to 50% or even more. Of course, smart investing means diversifying your portfolio to minimize risk while capturing higher rewards. This method is not for everyone, but for those with a bit of investment experience and the willingness to do full research, it can be incredibly lucrative. The third method involves offering AI-driven services. As AI becomes more mainstream, businesses across industries need help integrating those technologies into their operations. If you have expertise or if you are willing to learn, you can offer your services services as a consultant. This might involve advising companies on how to automate repetitive tasks, optimize their operations to data analysis, or implement AI tools to boost productivity. Many consultants in this field can charge between $3,000 to $10,000 per project. Freelancers and small agencies are also finding that using AI tools can significantly enhance the quality of their services, allowing them to charge premium rates and even increase project earnings by 20% or more. Let's get specific about the numbers and real-world applications. Imagine a small business owner who develops a simple AI-powered scheduling tool. In the earlier stages, they might start by earning an extra $500 per month from a handful of local clients. As the tool gained popularity and the business transitioned to a subscription-based model, those earnings could quickly climb to several $1,000s per month. Consider the investor in an AI startup. With carefully researched and diversified portfolio, it is not unusual to see annual return in the range of 15% to 50%. Those are really numbers that early adopters in the AI space are already experiencing. And if you are working as a consultant, imagine landing projects worth up to $10,000 each. Whether you are advising a media SaaS company on integrating AI into their logistics or helping a startup optimize their customer service with chatbot, the financial rewards can be substantial. What is important here is that those methods are scalable. You can start small with minimal investment and grow your income over time as you refine your approach and gain more experience. The key is to take action, learn from each step, and reinvest in your growth. I know that all of this might sound overwhelming at first, but the truth is that getting started is simpler than you might think. The first step is to educate yourself about artificial intelligence. Spend a few hours each week taking online courses, reading articles, or watching tutorials on AI basics. You do not need to become a computer scientist overnight. Just build a solid understanding of how AI works and how it can be applied in various contexts. Once you have a basic grasp of it, decide which method resonates with you. If you enjoy building things or solving problems, consider developing a digital tool. Start small by creating a simple app that addresses a common need and then iterate based on user feedback. If you are more inclined toward finance, look at investing in the startups. Research companies, analyze their business models, and start with a small amount of capital as you learn the ropes. If you have enough for consulting or prefer a service-based model, focus on acquiring the skills needed to advise businesses on integrating AI. There are plenty of free and affordable resources to help you gain this expertise. Experimentation is the key in this process. Launch a minimum viable product, whether it is an app, a service package, or even a pilot consulting project, and then gather feedback from real users. Use this feedback to refine your offering, make necessary adjustments, and gradually scale up. In the earlier days, your income might be modest, but as you improve your product or services and build a reputation, you will see your earning grow. Networking is also a critical part of your success. Join online communities and local meetups dedicated to AI and digital innovation. Attend webinars, participate in discussion forums, and connect with like-minded individuals. Those connections can lead to collaborations, partnership, and even new client opportunities. Building a strong network not only for support your immediate goals, but also lays the foundation of long-term success. Another important aspect is a personal branding. As you gain experience and start earning money, share your journey, whether through a YouTube channel, a blog, or social media. Let others know what you are doing and how you are succeeding. This not only helps you to build your reputation as an authority in the AI space, but also open up additional revenue stream to add sponsorship and affiliate marketing. Remember, the content you create today can continue to generate income and provide value for years to come. Lastly, be patient and persistent. It might take a few months before you see significant results, but consistency is key. Every expert started somewhere, and the same apply to you. Stay committed, learn continuously, and always be on the lookout for ways to improve your skills and offerings. Your efforts now are an investment in the future that extend well beyond 2025. One of the most exciting aspects of working with artificial intelligence is it is a long-term potential. The strategy you implement today can evolve and go with the technology. As AI continue to advance, the opportunities will only expand and your skill set will become increasingly valuable. The key to future-proofing your income is to remain adaptable. Stay informed about new developments in AI and continuously seek out for education opportunities. Whether it is a new course, a webinar, or a book on emerging trends, never stop learning. Additionally, focus on building scalable business models, subscription services, recurring revenue models, and diversified investment portfolio are not just trends, they are proven strategies that help ensure long-term success. Think about this way. If you create a digital tool or offer a service that remains relevant as technology evolves, you will have an asset that continue to generate income for years. And if you invest in the startups, your early investment could turn into a major financial gain as those companies grow. In essence, by taking action today, you are setting up yourself up for a future where your income is not only stable but also continuously growing. To wrap things up, let's summarize the key points. You can make money with artificial intelligence by developing and selling digital tools, investing in innovative AI startups, or offering specialized AI-driven services. Each of those methods is practical, scalable, and designed to help you generate income both now and in the future. The secret is to start small, learn continuously, and build your expertise over time. I would love to hear from you. What method are you most excited to try, and what step you will take to get started? Please leave your question, thought, or experience in the comments below. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumb up, share it with your friends, and hit the subscribe button so you'll never miss any of my videos. And if you are ready to dive even deeper into the world of AI and discover advanced strategies to make money online, be sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and remember, the future belongs to those who take action today.